Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and this is issue number 73 of the Terminator, build of the T800 from Hachette. Right, this time we are fitting components for the left shoulder and arm. It's basically the same as we did for the other arm way back, like a year ago. But let's get on with it. The parts we have today are these. I haven't even opened the little packet yet. Let's get that open. There we go, get rid of the box. Right, so we have that, bag of screws and things, and two little plastic rubber washery things. So yeah, we have what we need. So let's progress on and get it together. I do still like the way they do this. This is what you're doing today sort of thing, showing you in context. So I'll put the little picture in the corner and we'll see what we're doing with step one. We're taking the shoulder parts, whatever number they are and whatever number, 73.1 and 73.2. Each part has a recess on the side. It does indeed, just like that there and there. They obviously go together like that, so you don't get it the wrong way around. Like that. I don't think it'll even go together the wrong way around. Oh, it would. So yeah, don't get it the wrong way around. Make sure the recess matches up like that. They go together like that, and then we need the screws. So let's get this packet open. Obviously two different types of screw in there, 3 of each, so we don't need those, but we do need these. So we've got the two I say metal ones, silvery colour ones. They're going to go through there into those two holes and hold those two pieces together. Now obviously this has got to be located in the right place, but it's always good practice just to put the first one in without tightening it fully before you get the second one not falling on the floor and all over the place. Oh, that reminds me, I dropped one from the last issue and I didn't pick it up yet. Right, there we go, that's that tightening down into there. These parts are plastic, so be careful not to over tighten because you can easily strip the thread from the middle of the hole. It just needs to be tight enough. There we go, that was step 2. Step 3, we're not using that anymore. We are using that, which is a metal tube, as is that one. And we're going to be using one of those and one of those. Again, once you've got to get this the right way around, there's a deeper undercut in there than there is on there. So that goes onto the tube. It fits over the end of the shaft, yes. So it does go that way around. And then that goes on there. That's step 4 complete. Turning the page. You don't have to turn the page, I still have to turn the page. Step 5 is getting those parts for the next one, and step 6 is putting those together in exactly the same way as we just did on the last one. There we go. And that, if we get it exactly the same as it's got in the picture, which I'll put up there, is stage complete. That way around. There we go, like that. So yes, that's the end of the building for this week. Let's put those to one side. I'll get rid of the rubbish. Let's have a look at what film we're talking about this time. We're talking about Edge of Tomorrow. I did like that. That was Live, Die, Repeat, wasn't it? That was, oh, it's actually down there, look. I quite enjoyed that. Apparently they're doing a sequel, which looks like it could be quite good fun. So yeah, I think I might watch that again. I quite enjoyed that. I might watch that again at some point. Then we're talking about insects. Okay. Because Live, Die, Repeat, Edge of Tomorrow's got like an insect sort of alien thing. So yeah, okay, fair enough. And as ever, we'll be back. Next week's issue is continuing the left arm, as you might have gathered. It's basically doing the same as we did the week before this on this one. Possibly assembling it, we'll see, but we're going to end up with, again, collections of bits which at some point will all be added together. But that was issue 73. 74 I do have, so there will be another video tomorrow for that, and we'll see exactly what goes on, and then we'll see what we're going to do in next month. So thank you for watching, stay safe, I'll see you soon, bye bye.